Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. So I have a little update for you before I start the card. On Saturday, March 21st, the Ministry of Health for British Columbia, Canada, ordered that all personal service establishments close up shop. So this was tattoo parlors, massage therapists, hair salons, nail places, that sort of thing. So if you remember, it was only 16 weeks ago that I opened my own hair salon, and I have a salon vlog in case you're ever wanting to see where I actually work during the day. In the evening, I'm with you guys. Now, I'm positive that there will be aid for me as a self-employed person. However, it might be a while. I'm not allowed to apply for the emergency aid until I think the beginning of the month. So I will be out of work, forced to shut down for a couple weeks at that point. So anyway, we are all in this together, and we are taking great steps and sacrifices so that we don't get sick and that we don't overload our hospitals. And I am not feeling bad about the situation at all. However, it's a little scary, and I think we all have a little bit of that fear. I have a unique opportunity as a creator on YouTube to adjust the volume of my video content so I can financially keep my head above water. This doesn't mean that the financial burden is going to go on my viewers, just on the advertisements, and I just might get a little bit more of a kickback from YouTube. What this means is you'll be seeing a lot more videos from me, and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and maybe hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when I publish a video or when a live video happens, because I'm not real good about warning people when I'm going on live. I will try my hardest to give everybody a heads up before a live video happens. However, it is nice to get a notification. I realize as a demonstrator in Canada that many of us are in the same boat, and a lot of us do not have extra funds to shop for crafty supplies. It might have been tight before, and now it's really tight. However, it would be great if you watched my videos, and if you hit that like button if you like them, and if you shared them to others. If you think that they would be interested. I would love to see my YouTube channel grow. I have a new series starting tomorrow, and I hope you'll join me right here on YouTube for some inspiration while we are self-isolating. For today's card, I am featuring the stamp set Praiseworthy Pros, as well as the lily pad dies. I have also the See a Silhouette Designer Series paper here as well. And that's pretty much the star of the show, actually. So this is the back side. And these dies you'll find on page 4 of the first celebration catalog brochure, whatever you want to call it. I cut the lily pad out of the See a Silhouette, and then also with Whisper White Thick. Now I'm getting out my little silicone mat. Sometimes it lives in my Stamparatus. And here I have a little bit of Tombow glue. The thing is when you squeeze a little bit of that Tombow glue out, not to squeeze it out all over the place. It's like I use my nozzle to move it around, so it might be only like a little smidgen of glue that comes out, and then it's sort of, I'm smearing it with my glue tip. So these are tweezers that I got a long time ago, and when you squeeze them, they open, and I guess they're called retractable, I'm not sure, but when you just hold them, they're in their natural position, they're closed. So I was able to grab hold of my lily pad die cut there and then place it with my tweezers, so I didn't have to get glue all over my fingers. This is a take your pick tool, and it has sort of this gummy end to it so that I'm able to pick up the pieces that I initially cut out of that die, and I'm placing it inside the other die cut. And you saw me there, I put a little bit of glue on the inside to hold down those petals. And then I kind of noticed this negative piece, or I guess it's a positive piece. And I was like, oh, at this point I can make a twofer. So I wasn't actually going to make it 2 cards today. But then I decided, because I saw that sitting there and I got inspired. So I used Knight of Navy here for the sentiment. And the sentiment says, grateful, warmly and deeply appreciative of kindness, thankful for what one has done or experienced. And I think this would be awesome to give to that local person that's helping you out, or, you know, like a frontline person, grocery store nurse, that sort of thing. So I did the same thing with the Sia silhouette. I put some glue in behind, and then I'm putting glue in the negative pieces. And then I'm going to use my Take Your Pick tool, and I'm going to put the white negative pieces of the lily that I initially cut, and I'm going to put them, it's like fitting a puzzle. Hope you're picking up what I'm throwing down here, kids. This is pretty simple. This is inlaid die cutting if you go by Jennifer McGuire's description. I just thought it's kind of a cool way. It's a very simple card. I like simple cards. Apparently that's my thing. At the same time, you know, a lot of people get freaked out by white space. It doesn't bug me too much. Sometimes you just got to let the sentiment shine. And right now we are so very grateful for those people that are helping us, and grateful all over. I have an attitude of gratitude right now. Here's my bone folder. I'm folding these 2 cards up, and you will see some of the stills at the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.